Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of Chem Solve. Today in this short video we will understand that how to name ester. Okay, so today's topic is how to name ester. I will tell you a very easy to understand method, and by using this method you can easily name any ester. Okay, so I'm gonna take an ester. Okay, so this is an ester and I have to name it. Now how to name it? You have to cut that ester into two parts. How? We should cut it in such a way that both O will be in the same side. So I will cut it this way. Now you can see both O's are here. They are at this side. Okay, and this carbon, it is on the other side. Okay, so this thing, it comes from alcohol, and this thing, it comes from carboxylic acid. We will name it like alkane, whatever alkane it is. I will just cut it this in, and instead I will add "-ile". Understood? So for example, here it is methane. So I will not write "ane", instead I will write "-ile", methyl. And similarly, on this side, I will write the name of the alkane, and this E will be cut down. Instead, we will add O8. Now it will be this. Like here it is propane, for example. So I have to write propane, but I will cut down the E and will add O8. So it will be propanoate. Now this would be our first part and this would be our second part. So I will write it down: methyl propanoate, and that's it. Take another example. CH3, C double bond O, O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So I'm again gonna cut this ester into two parts so that both O are on the same side and the other chain of carbon is on the other side. So what I have to do, this is alkyl. So here there are three carbons, so it would be propyl. And here alkanoate. Like here it is two carbons, so it would be ethanoate. This is the first part, this is the second part. So finally the name would be propyl ethanoate. I hope you have understood that concept. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.